In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subpage on Squarespace. Alright, let's dive straight into Squarespace, a fantastic platform for creating beautiful websites without needing to know a single line of code. Whether you're setting up a blog, a portfolio, a business website, or an online store, Squarespace offers you an intuitive, user-friendly interface to build your online presence. Today, we're focusing on a specific aspect of website building on Squarespace: creating a subpage. First, navigate to the Squarespace website. Here you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Squarespace provides various ways to log in, including using your email and password or social login options. For ease, let's use the Continue with Google option. Click on it and then choose your Google account to log in with. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace site. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace account dashboard. Here you can see all your Squarespace sites. To access the site you want to add a subpage to, just click on your website from the list presented. After selecting your site, your next stop is the Pages menu. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing the structure of your website. You'll find the Pages option in the left-hand menu. Clicking here will show you an overview of your site's current pages. Now find the primary page under which you want your new subpage to appear. You'll notice an arrow next to each page name. Click on this arrow next to the relevant primary page. This action expands the section, revealing any existing subpages and the option to add a new one. To add your new subpage, look for the plus icon. It's usually located near the top of the expanded section or at the bottom of your list of current subpages. Clicking this plus icon will start the process of creating a new subpage. Once you click the plus icon, you'll be prompted to choose the type of page you want to create. Squarespace offers various templates, including standard pages, blog pages, portfolio pages, and more. Select the one that best fits your needs for this subpage. After selecting the page type, you'll enter the editor where you can add and arrange content like text, images, and blocks to build your page. After you've customized the page to your liking, it's time to make it visible on your website. Look for the Publish button. This might be located at the top of the page editor or within a settings menu depending on the version of Squarespace you're using. Clicking Publish will instantly make your new subpage live on your website. Remember, creating a structured and intuitive website navigation is crucial for your visitors' experience. Subpages are a great way to organize content under broad categories, making your site easier to navigate. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a subpage to your Squarespace website. This is just one step towards building a fantastic online presence. Experiment with different types of pages and content to find what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.